Hello YouTubers, welcome to Yasmin's cooking show. This is episode 14. We continue our seafood series today with shrimp, Thai noodles, shiitake mushrooms, red bell peppers that's tied together with a delicious Asian sauce. This dish is low calorie, low fat, and very simple to make. Shrimp are known in French as crevettes. They are found all over the world and are widely popular. Now, when shopping, shrimp are available in many forms. You can buy them raw, peeled and deveined, or cooked, peeled and deveined. They also come in a can, but I don't recommend it. Now, last thing before we start cooking. Shrimp are sold in counts per pound. So, for example, you in the seafood market and you see these numbers next to the price. Extra large shrimp marketed as 16 to 20 means that there is an average of 16 to 20 shrimp per pound. This is our mise en place, our ingredients for our shrimp and noodles. We have here 1 pound of raw, peeled and deveined shrimp, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 teaspoons of sesame oil, and let's combine them. Next, we have 4 green onions chopped, 2 garlic cloves chopped, 3 ounces of shiitake mushrooms sliced thin, 6 ounces of red bell pepper cut in thin strips. We have here 12 ounces of Thai noodles. Now, from the box, you can take out 6 ounces of dry noodles, and when it cooks, the noodles will double in size to 12 ounces. Then for our sauce, we have here 1 tablespoon of Szechuan sauce, 2 tablespoons of stock, 2 tablespoons of low sodium soy sauce, 2 teaspoons of brown sugar, and last but not least, 2 teaspoons of sesame seeds. The dish will be prepared in this order. We're going to toast the sesame seeds and set them aside. Then we're going to cook the shrimp, the onions with the garlic and set them aside. We're going to cook the vegetables, set them aside, and lastly, we're going to make the sauce, add the noodles, and bring everything together.